What's up, guys? This is the Boolin Q60, and today I want to talk about the exhaust system I have on my 2017 Q60 Red Sport. My exhaust is the Borla Catback. The Borla Catback. Here's a little idle sound. So mine definitely hangs a little bit low. I gotta go back and adjust it, kind of move the pipes a little bit and put them back on the, whatever the fuck those are called, the holders. Coming from a Motordyne G37, that was probably like the best exhaust system you can get for the VQs. So I was very, very picky on what exhaust I wanted to run. Stock, these cars, it sounds like a fucking Tesla. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I got it, you couldn't hear shit. It literally sounds like quiet as a mouse. So this Borla Catback definitely opens it up quite a bit. Personally, in my experience, and all the other VR30s, whether it's a Q50 or Q60, there is no exhaust that, you know, compares as far as sound quality. It's a deep and throaty sound. There's, you know, fast intentions. There is a Motordyne exhaust, but it's definitely more expensive. But there's a couple other ones that just don't sound the same. So I'm also paired with AMS lower downpipes, which definitely give it that extra throat that you kind of want, this extra deep sound, and it kind of pops every now and then, so that's cool. It sounds good. But this Catback I got about a year ago, I would say. It was priced at about $1,200. Now I think everything has gone up in price, so I think they're probably about $1,700 so it's a little bit cheaper than it was, or more expensive than it was before, but it's a really good sounding exhaust, and obviously I'm gonna do some sound clips. As far as the system goes, I'll attach the photo. I believe it's a true dual exhaust. The muffler actually looks very stock, and it looks like the stock muffler. You can see right here. There we go. Here's kind of below it. Don't see shit. I don't know what I'm showing you. So with this exhaust, it is, I believe, only the muffler. There's no resonators. It's basically straight pipe with the muffler. So the only thing I would say the cons about this system is there are a lot of clamps. And with clamps, a lot more clamps and separate pipes is they have a larger tendency, a more frequent tendency to have exhaust leak. So luckily I haven't really experienced it, but you know, it is something that comes up with these cars. As you can see, it is a true dual exhaust, and it only has a rear muffler, but there are many clamps to it. And it is also a 2.5-inch exhaust with 4.5-inch tips. Definitely shot some shit out of that. I don't know if I should get that checked out, but whatever. So yeah, all in all, if you want a similar sounding VR30, Q50, or Q, I don't think they make them for the Q50 actually, unfortunately. You might have to make your own system. But for the Q60, if you are looking for a nice, deep sounding, throaty exhaust, the Borla Catback is an amazing choice. It sounds amazing. I fucking love it. I'll put some flyby videos and some other stuff, and AMS lower downpipes with it adds that extra fucking deepness and throaty sound that, you know, these cars do not come with from stock. I swear to God, it sounds like a fucking Tesla, which I hate, and I know a lot of people hate that too. So definitely, if you're in the system or in the market for a Catback for your Q60, whether it's the Lux, the Silver Sport, the Red Sport, they work for all of them. So Borla Catback exhaust, I will put that in the description. And I am no way affiliated with them at all. I just really like their exhaust and want to share that with the world. Let's get it.